Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to enable slow motion effect on this Marvel Spider-Man 2 on your PS5 console. For example, so I'm going to reduce the motion up to 50%. Okay, you need to go to this options, go to settings, and then go to accessibility. And here just scroll down. Under gameplay assist, right, you can see this options game speed. So I'm going to reduce this to 30%. Okay, you can keep it 30 or 50. So I'm going to keep it 30%. So I'm going to just going back because this is auto save, and now I'm going to play that. Oh, there is a glitch. See, there is a glitch here. Okay, super cool. So I'm going to fly now. R2X. So that's it, friends. Now you can see the slow motion options here. So you can record. Super cool, right? Wow. It's cool like Spider-Man effect. Wow. This is really good, right?
Am I interrupting?
Spider-Man!
Good!
Crush him! Watch out! Here we go! Get down! Up there!
So that's it, friends, is the way you can reduce the game speed on Marvel Spider-Man 2. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.